Ryobi One Plus Cordless Trimmer and Edger. This is the Ryobi One Plus Cordless Trimmer and Edger. It's got a refillable spool on there. That's with the cap installed. I like to start things off by doing my edging first, then my trimming. You take any Ryobi official or compatible battery, 18 volts of power, click it in there, make sure it's charged. You're good to go. And since I'm going to be edging, you can rotate this thing 90 degrees to go ahead and get your edging done. Take a look at this strip of grass here that needs edging, and I'm going to show you how this thing works in action. It's pretty effective. I like to rock back and forth to really get that deep edge, that deep groove on my edging, which really makes your lawn stand out. I showed you how this thing takes care of edging. Let me go ahead and show you the trimming. We're going to go ahead and make a nice outline on these bricks here on the front of the house foliage. It's lightweight, it's powerful enough to get the job done for your typical house. 2 thumbs up. It's been Ryan for Silly Reviews. Thank you so much for watching. And if it's not too much trouble, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to Silly Reviews.